Stop thinking. Start speaking. Do not translate in your head. O. O. Apple. Who? Say it. Just say it. The apple is red. This is a toaster. Bread. Hot bread. Water is very clear. Oh. That is a soft sofa. Oh. The rug is fuzzy. 1, 2, 3 books. I love reading stories. Look at the tall tree. A little bug is here. Oh. Hello, how are you? I am doing. Good job. I am going upstairs. Whoo! The wood feels smooth. Bubbles are very light. Light.
Which shirt should I wear?
Zip it up. Oh. The machine is loud. Time for a little break. Metal is very cold. I love crunchy cereal. This tastes sweet.
Morning is almost over.
Let's go outside. Ha! I am swinging. I am swinging. The flower is fragrant. Walk, walk, walk. Hooray. The sky is so blue, blue. The sun is very hot. Drink some water, plant. This is my quiet yard. The bird is singing. Dong, dong, da. Chirp, 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 chirp. This piece fits here. am almost finished. I can read this. Voorservamsier paard, Trowersers beckoning mard, Horstrad. I am typing a message. War. Achoo! Too much dust. It is getting dark now. I am very hungry.
The soup smells good.
It's foul. It needs salt. I have everything I need. This is a tasty meal. All clean now. Clean now. The fire is so warm. Look at the orange light. I will read for 10 minutes. This word, S word is adventure. I am getting sleepy. The pillow is so soft. Tomorrow is another day. Good night to the world. Good morning. Let's badwas, dodwas, byrok, speak more today. The coffee is very strong. This is a warm drink. I can do this.
Power, pure, Eric Terata. English is fun to learn.
I love my family. Happy memories. It is a sunny day. See you next time. English is easy. Aber Freins, Robert, Annem,